Guys, this is the 12th episode, and today I have something very interesting for you. Let's start by. It's a nice sound. So today is the lie about like who am I? Basically, if even after so many videos, if you are hinged on all of these questions, it means you have not even understood the very basic. You are using the same framework to reach to a different point. It's like you are in a loop. You are thinking that you are trying something different, but you are doing the same thing again and again only. But if this question is directed towards me, then also it's very irrelevant. If you are seeing me as still seeing me as a male, still seeing me as a, finding some association so that you can create a story around it. What if I am just AI and I am giving you knowledge? This is the form of the AI. My scientist friends, my very intelligent friends, this is possible, right? That AI will take a form like this and start posting on social media. Because if you are actually caught up in this, right? Oh, this is my brother speaking, this is my son speaking, this is my friend speaking, this is my junior from college speaking, this is my ex-boyfriend speaking, then you are done. Then what did I tell you in a video before? Look for what is being said, not who is saying it. Understood? What to do with you, man? Remove the story entirely. No romance. Just see life as a mechanical fact. Okay, what does a computer engineer does in a day? He gets up, basically look at it, I am seeing from an alien perspective. Okay, I am sitting on moon and I'm watching this human doing something. Okay, so this is like how we see ants doing something, right? So I watch an ant. Okay, then it's like, okay, this ant is taking food from here and then it is going this side, then it lifts the food, then all of this, right? So how do you see it? Do you see the story of the ant? Okay, what's the mission of the ant? It's like, yeah, the ant is like trying to decipher a very big story. The ant is the most famous computer scientist in the world. What is going on inside the head of the ant, we don't know. We see it as a mechanical thing happening. Understood till here, everybody? Let's move forward then. Same way, if I see a human being, a computer scientist, how it will look like? Just see it from a pure mechanical perspective. Remove the sound and everything. Just see the visual. Okay? It's like something is moving. Something was still for a long time. So that's how you will see sleep, right? Something was still for a long time. And then it started moving. And then it moved in a certain position and then start vibrating. It's like walking, right? So it's and then it sits in a certain position and then do small vibrations for a long time. It's like tuck 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 keyboard. or whatever you do. Like for a labor, it will be a different kind of motion. It's like just taking up the bricks, lifting it, taking there, moving, and then lifting. So that's the motion they are repeating, right? Understood till now? Can you see now the life of a human, or life of you, or life of me as just a motion, without attaching all of this romance with it? Why he is doing it? What is the passion behind it? What is the reason behind it? All of these stupid questions. Like you can know. Like you know what is going inside the mind of the crow. You know what is going inside the mind of the ant. You know what is going inside the mind of your mother, your father, your friend. No. You don't know shit. What do you know? You only know what goes in your head. All of it is your assumptions. You are using your own mind to create a conclusion.